Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to download and install WhatsApp on your iPhone. Put your like, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends, and let's get started. So, first we need to go to App Store. After that, click Search and click on this top bar. After that, click on W, H, A, and after that click WhatsApp. Scroll down a little and click on this button. After that, you need to double click on this button. Wait a couple of seconds and that's it. We download our WhatsApp Messenger. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.